Welcome, everyone. Yeah, snowed in the wood hole. It's trying to spit a little bit of snow now. Yeah, it has started. It snowed a little bit in town yesterday on the this is recorded on October 26th. Yeah, October 26th. It snowed in town yesterday, the 25th, and left this up here for us to come playing. Get up here while we can until we get snowed out, right? All right. So today on the menu is a balsam, grand fir, whatever you want to call it. That's what we're cutting, and we're going to cut first. And if things permit, I'm going to take some time. So this just to let you know, this video might be a little bit longer video on falling a tree. Okay, and I'm going to follow it in the road. This is just like a little side road, right? It's a dead end, doesn't go anywhere. It's not a through road. I'm not blocking traffic. I'm not, you know what I mean? And even if someone were to want to come in here, I just cut the stuff out of the way because I have to move my pickup as well, right? So I just wanted to throw that out there. Anyway, I'm following it in the road, and I'm going to back up to it, and I'm going to cut firewood, okay? All right. So anyway, might be a little bit longer video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have time to sit and watch the majority of the video, because I'm going to try to go a little bit more in depth on back cut first, okay, with lean. So with that, let's look at it, okay? Let's check it out. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you. I appreciate everybody coming in here and supporting this channel and supporting everybody else's channels in this community. Go over and check out Goats Firewood and Farms, John Arnett's Ways. Go check them out, please. All right, look at that beautiful snow. Oh, I love it. Like I said, it's trying to spit snow now. Okay. Let's zoom out a little bit so we can see a little bit more of this tree here. Okay, right here, there's a little sweep in it, but you can see which way it's going there. Okay, so now remember that. Now go up and see that. It does have some weight going the direction I want it to go, but the majority of the weight is going that way. And I want the tree to go that way, right? So that's what we got. That's what we got. And that's where we're going to be putting it. All this tamarack is, all this wood that's laying right here is rotten. It's all rotten wood. No good for anything but a bonfire, which we might do up here. Wouldn't that be fun? Anyway, let's, I'll just set you up right here, and we'll talk about it. Okay, here we go. Back cut first. Okay, so I've got my cut started, okay, and I've got my wedge started. Now, as I go in with the back cut, I want to try to keep it fairly lined up with the direction I want to go. Not exactly, but still use your gun and sights to keep it, you know, because it kind of lines it up and it lets the tree go equal as it goes down, okay? Now I'm going to want to go in about just probably a little over halfway with this back cut before I go to the front face, before I put my face cut in, okay? And then I want to have this wedge set, I want to have these wedges set hard, real hard before I go to my face cut. The reason for this is so it doesn't move. It doesn't have a chance to sit back. I never let it go backwards. I never lose ground. Then I only have to wedge from its original point and its original lean back, okay? Then I can just push it forward. If I put my face cut in first, then I lose that strength of the front of the tree, right? And then I go to my back cut, and then it starts to pinch instantly because I don't have the front plate over here holding it from coming back. So that's why back cut first, okay? It's in there pretty tight. Now we got that face cut in there. Now, how close are we to being cut up? We're super close to being cut up. So I'm going to go, my choice is to tap the wedge to see where we're at. To see if we're cut up enough just to wedge it over now. We're moving it. Oh yeah, we're getting good movement up there. Let's try this. Whoops. See if we can get these started in there. All right. Let's see. Oh yeah. She's getting ready to go now. Absolutely perfect. perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now we'll look at the stump, okay? I hope that some of that made sense, and hopefully, I know it's not right in there play by play so much, but enough play by play, I think, to get the gist of why the cuts made when they are, right? Now this is balsam, so now you'll see how far that tree moved. Hopefully from another video angle, you'll see how far it moved, and we got it over there, and how much holding wood we had. We only ended up with like this much holding wood across the whole stump. Hi everyone. This part of the video is sped up from a different angle, obviously. But I just wanted to show you how far that tree moved, how far we moved it with those wedges. And patience on the stump. I see it a lot, it pays off. To make sure that you don't have too much holding wood to where you're just beating your brains out and not gaining any ground. But then again, you don't want too little of holding wood, because then you could zip it off, zip a corner off if you miss something here or there or whatever. So I just wanted to show how far you can move a tree that's dead. It's not recommended because it is dead, but the stump is pretty solid, and you'll see that coming up in the video. I hope you're enjoying it. Thanks everyone. Absolutely perfect. Let's just look at it, huh? And patience on the stump pays off for sure. See that holding wood all the way across that? Equal holding wood all the way across, right? And I said I wanted to go just over halfway on the stump, on the back cut, and that's where we're at. We ended up a little less than 2/3. Face cut lined up fairly well, and that's what we went beside. That's what we went between, is those two trees right there, right straight down, right there, right where I wanted it. Now I can back the truck in here and we'll cut some wood, right?